Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking where the frames feel wide, nose, temples, or behind the ear. Once done, use a photo to capture current alignment so you can revert if needed. Next, slightly loosen hinge screws just enough to let the temples move. This reduces stress while you reshape. Make sure to wear soft gloves or use a cloth to protect the finish. If you have plastic frames, warm them briefly with a hairdryer to make bending safer before proceeding. Now you focus on the temples. Heat plastic frames gently until flexible, or if metal, work cold and bend at the temple arms near the hinges. Do small inward bends, no more than a few degrees at a time, to avoid overcorrecting. After each tweak, retighten hinge screws slightly and try the glasses on to assess fit and balance. Make sure to compare left and right in a mirror. Symmetry matters for comfort. Keep testing until the glasses sit closer without pinching. Finish by refining nose pads and temple tips. Adjust nose pads inward by small amounts to raise fit or spread them to lower it. This centers lenses over your pupils. Once aligned, secure screws and consider a tiny drop of blue thread locker for persistent loosening. If you notice warping, lens misalignment, or ongoing pain, stop and consult a professional optician. They have heat presses and torque tools for precise corrections. One troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.